rare because of that very cold air that's needed to form. And they're about 10 miles up above our heads, in fact, all those tiny, tiny ice crystals. And when the sun is at a really low angle, below the horizon, in fact, it can illuminate these clouds from below, and that scatters the sunlight into these beautiful iridescent rainbow colours. So we've seen more of them today, but that's very high in the atmosphere, closer to Earth. I think our focus is going to be on some disruptive weather over the next 24 hours or so. We've got a storm that's been named Pia by the Danish Met Service. It's going to bring some really windy conditions, some heavy showers, so there's the potential for some disruption. So Storm Pia, this area of low pressure, is going to be pushing to the north of Scotland, down through the North Sea. Lots of isobars on the map showing us it is going to be particularly windy. So the wind's already strengthening through the rest of this evening and tonight. We'll see some rain moving in that's going to be quite heavy across the west of Scotland, pushing down into parts of Northern Ireland and Northern England during the early hours of Thursday. Stays cloudy but drier further south and east. I think frost won't be a problem. It'll be quite mild first thing tomorrow, but you certainly will notice the strength of the wind, particularly anywhere north of this line here. So gusts about 50 to 60 miles per hour widely, but potentially as high as 80 miles per hour up towards the Northern Isles. So certainly enough to cause some disruption with those gales or severe gales. So it's going to be windy wherever you are. We've got cloud and outbreaks of patchy rain in the west, moving their way south, and then from the north a return to sunshine and squally, blustery showers around, perhaps a little bit of winteriness over the higher ground of Scotland, and temperatures up to around about 13 in London, but only 5 in Aberdeen there. And then as we move ahead towards Friday, it will be another blustery sort of day, but not as windy as it will be tomorrow. Sophie.